Today's sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making a chocolate chip cookie loaf. First, in a large bowl, I'm going to add 125 grams of active starter. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add 1/4 of a cup of sugar. Next, add 280 grams of warm filtered water. Then mix that up. Next, add 445 grams of unbleached all-purpose flour. Then mix that up until the dough forms. Then cover up the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to do 3 rounds of stretch and folds, which just means I'm going to lift up the dough and place it on itself and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 30 minutes in between each round. Then I'm going to do my last round of stretch and folds and then cover the dough back up and let it rest for 6 to 8 hours or until it doubles in size. After the dough doubles in size, I'm going to add it to a floured counter and press it out. Next, I have 16 ounces of chocolate chip cookie dough. I'm going to add half the cookie dough onto the sourdough. Then I'm going to take one side and fold it over and sprinkle more cookie dough on top. Next, fold the other side over and sprinkle the rest of the cookie dough. Then roll up the dough and roll it into a bowl and then put it into a lined banneton and cover this up and put it in the fridge overnight. After the dough has been in the fridge overnight, I place it on a piece of parchment paper. I'm going to score the top and I'm going to add it into a Dutch oven that I've been preheating at 450 degrees. And I'm going to put the lid on the Dutch oven and then bake this at 450 for 45 to 50 minutes. Once the bread was done, I let it cool for 2 hours. Now I have it on a cutting board. I'm going to cut into it and here's an up close look.